You actually have...
No way.
What the hell? And can you actually write your name on the coin for me?
What? That was cool.
Oh my God, now I'm impressed.
You could actually do that, believe it or not. So we're at the world's famous Pink's Hot Dogs, and we're here with Gloria. Would you like to learn a fun magic trick?
Sure, why not?
You could use it whenever you want. So this is, I'm gonna show you the magic trick first, and then would you be up performing it for some people here?
We'll see how well I do.
We'll see how well you do. So this magic trick uses a misdirection. So, but it's the way that the misdirection works, it's all timed with what you're doing. So it uses some distraction. So first what you wanna do is you take the quarter, take the Coke can, and you're gonna cover it up and grab the middle so it makes like this little holder, placeholder. The idea is you cover, and then you say it's gonna disappear. In that moment, that's all the misdirection you need, because you're gonna be looked at in the corner. And while they do that, this is all you do. You bring it back right to the table, and you just drop. At that point, you can put it between your knees wherever you want, hold it down there, and you come back like this. And in your eyes, nothing has changed.
Right, because you're still holding it like that.
From there, you can almost pick it up, crumple it up. Let's see what you got. Do you want to practice first or just perform?
Oh, yeah. Let me practice first. Okay. So first, I'm going to show you a quarter. Cover this Coke can up. Okay. See the quarter?
I see it.
Okay, I'm going to cover it up.
Yep.
Now, snap your fingers. It disappeared. Snap your fingers. And there it is back again. Okay, what's my next step? But now I'm going to make the quarter. No. I'm going to make the Coke can disappear. So now what? Okay.
So the first time you cover, it's going to be there, and you say it comes back. When you do that, all you're going to do is lift up, bring it back here, and then you're just going to slightly let go so it drops. Perfect.
Do we want to try it on someone?
We could try it on somebody, yeah.
Okay, so Yanira, I'm going to show you some magic. See this quarter? I'm going to make it disappear. Okay, so watch the quarter. First, I'm going to cover this can. You see the quarter?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now snap your fingers.
It's back. Isn't that great? It just came back.
Nice.
I'm going to do it again. Okay? Snap your fingers. Pretty good.
Oh my God, good job.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh my God.
You actually fooled her.
I did. I think I did it.
That was awesome.
And look what we have for you.
Oh, that's great. I'm going to try some of those dogs. Those look amazing. Yeah, good luck trying your magic trick on some of your employees.
I will. Thanks, Stephen. Thanks
Thank
so
you again.
much.